Okay, so for today's check-in, it says the circles in the model represent positive and negative units. Which equation is true based on the model? Select two correct answers. Okay, so we have to look at the key first, so we know that each of the positives are the white chips, okay? And then all my negatives are the black chips, okay? So all my positives are going to be the white chips, and I'm going to write my positives on top. So positive 1, positive 2, positive 3, positive 4. So here I have positive 4 chips, okay? And then it says that my black ones are negative, so I'm going to write negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, 4, negative 5, negative 6. So I have in total negative 6. Okay, so when we need to write our equation, we need to combine these two, right? So one of the ways that I can write my equation, I can write positive 4 plus my negative 6. Okay, so either this can be with my parentheses or without. And then another way that I can write this, right? Essentially because here, do I have same signs or different signs, right? So if I were to, let me just circle it real quick. Because I have different signs, right? Here it says different signs, I subtract. So let me take out those bubbles. So technically what I'm doing here is I am subtracting by my 6 from this 4. So I'm going to have 4 minus 6. So all I have to do is look at my check boxes to see what do I get from here. So before I do that, I need to solve out this diagram, what they're telling us to do. So here's one pair of my positive and negative, and I can cancel this out. This is my second pair of my positive and negative chips. Another pair, my third, and then my fourth, right? It's like saying I owe $1 right here, but then I gave $1. I owe $1, but then I gave it back. I owe $1, I gave it back. I owe $1, I gave it back. But here, I still owe not 6, but $2. So if I'm owing money, that is a negative thing. So negative 2. And this is also going to be negative 2 because they both mean the same thing. Okay. So here my answer is positive 2. It cannot be this one. Let's try the next one. So it's going to be positive 4. I have that. Plus my parentheses negative 6. And my answer is negative 2. So this one is correct. Then my next one is 4, positive 4, minus my 6, but I get positive 2, and that cannot be my answer. This one's the same thing, except my answer is negative 2, so this one is correct. And my last one, 4 minus negative 6 equals negative 2. So again, when I have my two negative signs together, this looks like a broken plus sign, so I'm going to have 4 plus 6. That should give me 10, but my answer here shows negative 2, so this one is wrong. So my two answers are this one right here. My 4 plus negative 6 is equal to negative 2, and this one, my 4 minus 6, is equal to negative 2. So those two should be my answers. If you have any questions, please let your teacher know.